No. Has Kylie got the dreaded hiccups again? Oh, look at your whole body move. Oh, where's Kylie? Is she on Daddy's pool table, change table, laundry table combination? I think she is. Oh. Oh. Got the nasty, nasty hiccups. What are you looking at? What's up there? Is that what you're looking at? Oh, are you holding the rattle? Just sweet little girl. Throwing it away. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, everyone. Bye.